2020 Nissan Juke Nismo, 2020 Nissan Juke Philippines, 2020 Nissan Juke Review, New Cars By. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Nissan brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Nissan Juke Nismo, 2020 Nissan Juke Philippines, 2020 Nissan Juke Review, New Cars By. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Nissan Juke Nismo, 2020 Nissan Juke Philippines, 2020 Nissan Juke Review, New Cars By. Considering the fact that this has been definitely successful in the marketplace, the company will briefly be fully able to present the new 2020 Nissan Juke. This model is part of the subcompact crossover training course. Even though the opposition is obtaining a lot more strong, the Nissan SUV is, however, one of the finest advertising and marketing models in their cycle. It is fascinating traveling, has advanced seams, wonderful performance and it also is straightforward to control. 2020 Nissan Juke redesign. So, for the 2020 Nissan Juke model, we are trying to see changes in almost every single period. Commencing from the new platform, then adjustments on the body, boosted interior, and that we feel some changes underneath the hood. It must be supplied in several toned portions like the pre-existing model. These are SV, SL, Nismo, and Nismo RS trims. Its crucial competition in the subcompact SUV cycle will probably be Fiat 500X, Chevrolet Trax, Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-3 etc. 2020 Nissan Juke engines. The new 2020 Nissan Juke can look like front door tire and tire vacation. It is scored at 28 miles per gallon in the town, 32 miles per gallon on the freeway and 29 joined, with FWD and CVT. The new Juke is in a placement to effect 60 miles per hour in 6.9 mere seconds. In addition, the finest Nismo Rs want to use the similar 1.6-liter engine but with turbochargers. So, its production will likely be 215 horses and 210 lb-ft of torque. As beautifully, the new Nissan is created to get pushed with a 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo petroleum and 1.5-liter diesel engines. 2020 Nissan Juke exterior and interior. Extremely first of all, in acquiescence to the most up-to-date info, the 2020 Nissan Juke should be underpinned with a new platform. This should boost fuel economy and merely since of the longer wheelbase, the interior place will be greater. If it shows up in exterior design, the 2020 Nissan Juke will likely be one of a type as typically. This subcompact crossover seems definitely modern, attractive, and odd. It features facets, curved stresses and ends all excessively of the body. The entryways accomplish is covered with LED headlamps and V-established grille. The headlamps will probably be situated considerably like on the pre-existing variety. In 2020 Nissan Juke is fully completely ready for many considerable changes. The company has used significantly more top quality assets this type of as soft make contact with plastic materials and large top quality fabric in the design of the cabin. The dash panel want to get a new infotainment show with Apple Care Conduct and Android OS Auto connection. 2020 Nissan Juke release date and price. The 2020 Nissan Juke is timetabled to affect the marketplace at the end of 2018. As for the rates, the base model should start at about $26,000, nevertheless, it is not but approved. Thanks.